Well, you have that now. To bring this to context to understand, we have Leah Munokoh, the Legal and Protection Executive at the Defenders Protection Initiative. Good to have you, Leah.
Good to have you too.
Well, to start with, what is the Human Rights Defender Protection Bill, to understand it?
Human Rights Defenders Protection Bill is basically a bill that, when passed into law, it's going to protect for human rights defenders in Uganda. This bill, it has been a process since we began the process of enacting this bill. Apparently, we have it. We have already sought the leave of Parliament, and we began the process in 2014, whereby we carried out a research, legislative climate in Uganda. This research was done by Defenders Protection Initiative, and in this research, we realized that human rights violations are happening a lot in Uganda. So as one of the recommendations, we thought we'd have a legislative in place, a law in place that will protect these laws, this kind of violations. That is how we came up with this kind of bill.
So I need to know, who is a human rights defender?
Thank you very much. A human rights defender is basically any person or group of people who defend other people's rights.
Okay.
It might be a lawyer, it might be a human rights activist, just to mention but a few.
And how is this bill different from the existing laws you already have in place?
When this bill is passed into law, you realize that though we have other laws in place, just to mention, we have the Constitution of Uganda. When you look at Chapter 4 of the Constitution of Uganda, it's actually so progressive. We have laws, different rights that provides for the protection of human rights defenders. These rights are they have not been put into place. So when we have this law in place, human rights defenders will be protected. Yes.
Okay, why does this law matter today? The timing, that's what I'm looking at, the timing. Why does it matter today?
The timing wouldn't be that bad, because when looking at the process, the roadmap, as I say that this bill, we began the process in 2014. It has been a process. We've underwent consultation, including a meeting justice, law and sector, other members of Parliament. So we've made a consultation from human rights defenders, and we feel it's the right time to have this bill in place.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, that is Leah. Thank you so much. Leah Munokoh, the Legal and Protection Executive at the Defenders Protective Initiative. Now, take us for a break, and we'll be back shortly.